Another day in the city of Portland, and I woke up really early just to explore a little bit more of the downtown area. I don't know if you know this, but I grew up in New York City, so I loved growing up in New York City. And this downtown area reminded me a little bit of New York, just a more calm and cleaner and more peaceful city. And of course, we have to get some coffee. We've secured the coffee, and now we're gonna head out to the waterfront. Yeah, we got the caffeine that we needed. About to enjoy my coffee and bagel, and then this happens. Yeah, I'm getting sprayed right here where I am. So I guess I'm gonna move from this bench and go somewhere else. Part of our plans today was to check out the beautiful waterfalls along the Columbia River, and we decided to do a tour because we didn't want to be worried about finding parking, and the tour included all of the waterfalls along this river and a trolley with information, so that seemed like the best thing to do and we wouldn't be stressed out. I'm not dropping the phone, don't worry. Look at this view of the river and the mountains. It's just beautiful. This is called Horsetail Falls along the tour, and we stopped over here. Really beautiful.
Businesses, communities, farms, and schools. The U.S. Congress passed the Columbia River Gorge National Scenic Area.
So stunning. So we're making our way to Bridal Veil, which we saw when we were on the trolley. We could see the top. Now we're gonna view it from the bottom. Oops. Oopsie. My daughter reminded me that we gotta come the same way we go down, we gotta come back up. Be careful. No talking. I'll show this video. Took some water from the waterfall and splashed it on our faces. I even drank some of it. The kids think it's not safe, but I think it's safe. Okay, so we found this cute neighborhood. It's called Nob Hill. It's so cute. Beautiful houses, and there's trees lining everywhere. And we're gonna go to this cool shop called Paxton Gate. and I'll vlog when we're there. Look at these lime green hydrangeas. So cute. So yeah, I'll vlog some more when we're in the shop. And probably we'll have dinner here. We're so tired from the waterfall tour. Very exhausted. Just to show the area. I'm gonna inspire people to come here. So cool, guys. That is a real human skeleton, y'all.
That's the real thing.
They have like yummy like perfumes and candles. We are at a Korean restaurant. We are so hungry and tired from the waterfalls. I ordered the beef bulgogi and I'll show you when my dish arrives. Wow, this is the beef bulgogi with rice and salad. It looks so good, and glass noodles too. Can I show you gyoza? Gyoza. They're gonna bring kimchi as well, and then my daughter got a what is it called again? Kimbap. It's like a roll. I'll show it to you. Looks yummy. The next day, of course, I woke up and returned to the same French cafe I found on my second day in Portland, which was Honoré Boulangerie, and I went there to get my cappuccino and a French pastry, which was delicious. And I started to walk around and I found Powell's Books, which is the largest independent bookstore in the United States. And I said I had to check out this place because I've heard so many good things about it. And I kept exploring and walking around and was making my way back to the hotel. And of course I had to stop at the iconic Voodoo Donuts, which we don't have in our city. I believe they have one, but it's at the airport and we only go there when we have to travel somewhere. So of course I had to go get some donuts for the kids. And also I saw these food stalls. They look kind of like a food truck. And they had all kinds of different foods. There were like Mexicans, and they had gyro, Middle Eastern food, and I picked up some food for the girls. The kofta meat, and then the falafels. Looks so good. So hungry. Maple bacon donut, and we also got the Captain Crunch, apple fritter, and this is the Portland one. That's some cream. Yummy. So on this day, we decided to explore the Portland Japanese Gardens, and also we were going to check out the International Rose Garden. As you know, I am a lover of everything that involves gardening and flowers and nature, and so I could not leave the city without exploring the gardens, and I was really curious, and this was just beautiful. You can immediately tell that a lot of work went into this garden. It was apparently a partnership with Japan, and it started in the 1960s, and the area encompasses 12 acres. This is the overlook where you can see from here Mount Hood. I actually tried to see it, but I really could not see it very well. And they had a Japanese market inside this pavilion area that was selling goods that were made in Japan. And yes, of course, we got a few things to bring back home. And there are apparently 9 different styles in the garden. As you notice with Japanese gardens, it's not really about flowers. It's mostly about nature. And it's just all the details that go into it are just... That's just what surprises me so much, because everywhere you turn is just like a surprise, and it just the amount of thought and detail that went into designing these spaces is just incredible to me, and I was just astounded at all the different variations of green, and I hope that some of my footage does it justice, but I truly believe you can't experience it unless you actually go there, and I highly, highly encourage you to visit the Japanese gardens if you're in the Portland area. Oh, that one's 17 years. Oh my god, look at this. So pretty. 60 years old, that one. Yeah, this one's 250 years old.
Are we gonna start walking?
Watch, I'm not gonna show you, just see.
Yeah, it just tastes like matcha, but like no pepper.
The great thing about the Japanese garden is that it's also right next door to the International Rose Garden. This is all part of the big park, Washington Park, which is also where the zoo is located. So it's great. You have everything very close to each other. And we just crossed the street and we were there in the Rose Garden. And the Rose Garden is free. And there was this guy playing this music and I wanted to share. Talk about rose overload. Like there's roses everywhere. Oh my goodness.
The rose garden.
And there's roses over here too. They're just roses and roses. The kids are tired.
Yeah,
Gotta go
tired of you.
uphill, uphill, uphill.
Eating at a restaurant called Finch at the
Oh my god, this looks so good. Burger, and this is the chicken sandwich. Everything looks delicious.
前ピタッと並ばされてこれがなって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるけれど返事は求められて変のやる日を盗んで可愛くしてしゃべる